Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing where to place citations and why those sites matter. Prioritize directories, industry hubs, and high-authority niche blogs. Once chosen, gather exact NAP, name, address, phone, and the canonical website URL so records match. Next, open a spreadsheet and create columns for site name, login credentials, contact person, status, and published date. This keeps progress trackable. Do this now. It prevents duplicate entries and inconsistent data that hurt search visibility later. You now build each citation step by step. Sign up or claim an existing listing and paste the standardized NAP so every record matches exactly. When writing descriptions, include 1 to 2 targeted keywords naturally. This improves relevance without keyword stuffing. Upload photos, business hours, and any licenses if available. Completeness increases approval and trust signals. Once published, record login info and verification steps in your spreadsheet so you can update or remove duplicates later. Make sure nothing is lost. You finish by verifying every citation is live and accurate. Wait up to 2 weeks, then audit the list and click through to confirm details. If you find duplicates or errors, contact site support to request merges or deletions and follow up with proof of authority. This prevents fragmented signals. Make sure to document each fix in your spreadsheet and set monthly monitoring alerts. Troubleshooting common issues early keeps link equity intact and sustains the ranking improvements you work to create.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.